Good afternoon. My name is Nonsikelelo Sivanda, and I'm graduating with a Bachelor of Business Administration with a major in Business Management. Often I'm asked, how did I end up at CMU? I am at CMU because of a generous couple, now our family friends, Harry and Susan Wins, who chose to make a life through giving. It all began in 2003 at the Mennonite World Conference, where my mother met Harry Wins. A chat over ice cream built a friendship between our families, which has lasted ever since. And now we're more like family. I am humbled that the Wins family gave me a chance to come and study at CMU. I have been granted a number of opportunities which I would not have had in Zimbabwe. I got an opportunity to grow in a place where my career choices are not limited, where there is hope for a bright future. So as I stand today, I am extremely grateful to have spent the past few years of my life studying at CMU. It has transformed my life in many ways. Having moved from Southern Africa, I was completely on my own, and I had to concentrate on school and integrate into a new culture and environment all at once. At first, I struggled to adjust, and often I was homesick and shy to speak. But all this gradually changed because of the loving and welcoming CMU community. I appreciate the CMU students and faculty who reached out to me in different ways, through conversations in class, in the cafeteria, in spiritual group meetings, and through the International Students Group. However, it's the smiles from strangers on campus that made me feel warm inside. They were welcoming smiles, and it's the first thing I noticed when I arrived at CMU. You really make someone's day through your smiles. I am grateful to have studied business at CMU rather than at ASPA or at the University of Winnipeg. I appreciate the small class sizes and the ability to have a close professor-student relationship that I would not have had if I had studied at the University of Manitoba. What I admire the most about the Redekop School of Business is the integration of business with Christianity. Prior to attending CMU, I understood business and Christianity as two separate domains with no connection. So I was a little bit unimpressed in my first year in the Introduction to Business class when I was handed a textbook by Jeff Van Duzer, Why Business Matters to God, which I had to write a book review on. I wondered why a business student had to read a theology text. But 3 years later, I had to read the same book for the Christianity in the Marketplace class, which I was taking. This time, I was interested in learning more. CMU's integration of Christianity and business has changed the way I view business, but more profoundly, the way I feel about being a business student. Before this class, I was doing business because I love numbers, and that's what I always told people. There was nothing more to business. But after having studied the Garden of Eden model of business, seeing that the work began with God, and that he used Adam and Eve to manage the garden, and that he wanted the community to benefit and flourish from the garden, from business, my perspectives were completely shifted. To know that business is a calling was an astounding revelation. So this past school year, I fulfilled my practical requirement with the CMU Finance Office as a finance assistant. I was not just doing general bookkeeping. I felt I was doing meaningful work for the Commonwealth Bookstore and Resource Center. Business for me is not about the love of numbers anymore. It is about the joy I have in my heart to serve others in an honest and in a diligent way. CMU has also enhanced my learning in other ways outside of the classroom. I got to travel to Europe on a study tour and to the United States to attend a media convention where 2 of my classmates and I took part in a TED Talk style competition, which we won. Both these travel opportunities have expanded my view of the world and the appreciation of other people and different cultures. So I am leaving CMU as a different person, but a good different. Grateful for everyone at CMU who has helped me to become the person that I am today. Thank you.